Now I am going to create an author, and from the admin panel I will do that. And if I go to my users in the database, you will see the name, email, photo. This is okay. The role is very important here. There will be two roles here. One is admin, and admin ID is always on, and another role will be author here. So how I can do that? Here you see news portal admin, and here I log in at admin@example.com 1234. You see this one comes, but name is not working because I used the full name. So full name, but I changed the name, So here instead of full name, my name will be here only, name in all places. So in the profile also here will be name, in the profile in this location also this will be the name, and in the session nav it will be the name. So now this should work. So refresh, you see logged in as the name is showing here. And the front end means you can go back to the previous one. That means in the layout header or nav, probably it is in the nav. And here you see this is the front end. So front end is actually the base URL. So here you can write echo base URL. Then it will take you to the front end. That means the main website URL. So it is okay. So now my task is to check if everything is okay, or now it is okay. So in the left side menu I will have to create the system. So in the admin nav it is important for me, not nav, the important is sidebar. So here the sidebar is this one. So I open this, and in the sidebar like others, here it will be the author section. So I can hide all the items from here, but here there is a problem. Okay, so I just write like this class is not needed. I just keep the layout. Okay, so something like that. So here I just keep the layout, and here I am going to remove this one, also this one. Okay, so these three items I am going to hide, and here I will work. So admin URL is okay, and here for the author I can write author view.php, and here author view.php, and here authors, or here I can write only author. So it depends, author section, all author. So if you go here you'll be able to see this. And for the icon, I know font has some 5 icons. I am going to check it from here. So here free icons, I give the link. So like this, so it will come. Here is the free. So here first one is dashboard. So if there is any dashboard icon or home icon, I can write here the home icon. So home icon is this one or this one. So I write, if I want to copy this one, copy this. And now here where there is the hand icon, I replace it by this. So if I now go here, refresh, you see nothing is coming. I am not sure. In the backend font awesome which is calling, I am going to check. So here is font awesome 5. Okay, but still it is not working. Now I can try another one. So let's copy this one. Here is the dashboard, this one. I change the icon here, if it works or not. Yes, it is working. So this icon is better, I use this. And another icon I use here is file and folder. Two types of icons I will use here. So for now I will use the file icon. So file means it can be a simple file, that is this one. Copy this, and now here where there is author, I replace it by this one. So let's go here, author. It is okay, you can use this file icon, and if you want you can change it also. There are many other file icons here. So if you want you can use, for example, something like this type of icons you can also use. This is the folder open or something like that, or here you can also use this one. If I try with this, how it looks like, I'm going to check it first. It is not coming, so it is not working. I am going to use copy this one. This is copy. So yes, it is working. So this can be the icon, that is good. So author, if I click here, nothing will come because I did not create the pages. So for now it is okay. This is not actually my concern about the design, so it is okay. And dashboard is also okay. This is the sidebar. So in the admin, these are the main files in the admin panels where I will have to write the code. So here I will have to write author view.php. So total many other items will be needed. Author view, another one is author create, and I am going to add the author edit, and another one will be author delete. So these 4 items I am going to add here. So first one is author view. So author view can be a table view from this page like this. So I am going to copy the data from here, paste it here, and I am going to open my dashboard. Also here in the dashboard you see layouts top, I called in the top. So this is very important here also. That is also in the author view, you see the top is calling, so it is also okay. And here you see if not is set admin, then it will take you back to the login. But here I will have to change with something, because here is not only author. You see, if not is set admin, or here you can apply and here empty, and here it is telling you empty, but not is set session ID, that is session author. Here you can write session, here it will be session underscore, and here will be author. So that means not is set. So not is set admin and not is set author, then the person will be go back to the login page. So admin URL is okay, URL will be same like admin. So this is another one way if you want to show the same thing here. But if you want that in the front end there is already a login, so author will go to give his email address and password, he will work in this place. If you want, then this is not needed. Then in that case, if you just keep them like the previous one, because this dashboard.php will only be accessible by admin, not author. So you can also show like this. This is also perfect, no problem at all. So I just keep it here like this. It is okay for now. And now I am going to check the author view page. So here I will write view authors. Okay, so all the authors I will show here. So view authors, and this thing will come from the database that I will show you, no problem. And another one here, it is needed to understand. I am going to setting, no, here not. There is a profile here. If I go profile here, it is also not presented in the form. There is this one, this is important. So I am going to copy this, and here I am going to paste it. That is ML auto. A button will be added here, that will be the add author. Okay, so let's check it now. Refresh, click on author, you see add author comes here. Now put the author in the right side. So if I want to have this email auto style margin style float right, I'm not sure if it will work or not. No, or alternately I can use another thing. For example, these are the 2 items, so I can use the display flex, that is better and easy, and justify content between, that is okay. So let's do that. You see it is working without any issue. So it will be right side, it will be in the left side, and here will be all authors, and in the all authors, here it will be author name, and here it will be author email address, and author photo. If you want, you can show the author photo here, and all the authors will come here from the database. No modal is needed for me. For now it is not needed, and another tier I am going to remove from here. So this is perfect. So something like that. So if I now refresh, you see, but the icons are bigger. So here I use the BT and SM, and modal is not needed here. The view is not needed. Edit and delete is important here in my case. So BT and SM, and similar thing here, use the BTM SM. Trash is okay. Are you confirm? That is also okay. And from the database, that means here I will pull everything from the database. So PHP select all from users, because in my database the table name is users. Here I will pull everything except the ID equal to 1, because he is the admin. So select all from users where ID not equal to 1. Here I straight put the 1 because he is the admin. And here total not needed. For example, this one and this one. Here I can write like this PHP. Inside the PHP I am going to write the HTML codes that will be repeated. So here the code will be like this. So I put it into the middle, and here the one will be, for example, here PHP echo I. Why I use I here? Because in the top I will initialize the value of I to 0. When the loop will be started, I will increment the value by 1, and that I will show here. So it is okay, and this is the value of I, and this is the photo. So how I will write the photo here? That is the image search equal to row of photo, and then first name, no, sorry, automatically is not needed here. Not the first name, sorry, it will be something like that. If the photo equal null, admin will just add the user but not the photo. So photo can be null in some cases. So in the structure I am going to make the photo field nullable. Already nullable, that is okay. And here if the photo is equal to null, then the default photo will come. The default photo is into my uploads folder, and I am going to check what is my default photo. So let's go here in my project uploads. The default photo is default.png. So here uploads, and it is default.png. Here I write default.png. Image fluid and everything can be here, no problem. And if the photo is there, then in the uploads folder you will be able to see the photo, and this photo will be here. That is okay. Code is okay. And here I will write use the name, row of name, that is perfect. After that you will have to write the email, that is also okay. And here nothing is needed to show anymore. So just go here, refresh, you see there is no data. So if you click on add author, it will take you to the add author page. So here I can link easily here it echo base URL, and here author create.php. okay, so author create, I already have a page but there is no data. So from the form I am going to copy author create, paste it, and here it will be display flex, align item centered, it is okay. And here instead of button, here I will write view wall, and it will take you back to the previous page. PHP echo base URL and author view.php, author view.php. Instead of form it will be create author. So like this, and in this form there will be photo, because admin has option to add the photo but nullable. so it is okay. So multipart is fine, and here I will write the name, so name, email, and here I can write other things are not needed, name, email, photo. Total 3 items are okay. I am going to remove others, and this is the photo. I am going to cut the photo, and in the top I am going to put this one, and all the items can be in on single line, no problem. Name, and there is another one, that is the email. So name, email, MB, bottom, margin bottom 3, that is also okay. This is name equal to photo. Here name equal to name and email equal to email. Value not needed for now. So submit. After submit, I will write the code to add the data, but for now let's check it. This is author create, but it will be the admin URL. Sorry, I am in the admin panel, so here it will be admin URL, and author view, here it will be also admin URL. So refresh, click here, it is taking you to the author create page and taking you to here, but there is a password, so a password you can also generate here. That means when you are going to create the author, here after the email you can put the password. So whatever you give, that will be a password here. So type equal to password, name password is okay. Here you can use the text instead of email, no problem. And after submission, what will happen? This is the important thing now, and I will work with that. That means here, so when you will submit something, so PHP, here I am going to show you, here will be name. So name equal to form 1, for example. So after submit, if is set session admin, it will be in all the places, that is okay. Like the dashboard, the same thing will be here, also same thing will be here. In all places you must have to give it, otherwise it will be accessible by all other people who are not logged in. And in the author create, here if you want, you can now give the things. That means after this one, again call another one. After that, PHP if is set post of form on, if is set post of form on, so it is like this, post of form on. So what will happen if I use this, then try, here will be a try and cache block I will use here. So try cache exception equal to this. So what will be the exception? If there was anything here, I am going to check. In the case of login, you see I used a many exception, email, format, password, etc. Similar thing in the try, I will use here inside. That is, I will check if the name is empty, email is formatted, password is empty, and another one is name. First name is this, that will be here, that is name, email, and password. But in there is a profile. If I go to the profile, I am sure there is another thing, that was the upload photo. So okay, so in order to photo upload, I am going to copy this, and here after checking all the items, here there will be photo name and photo temp name, and then I will check if photo is empty or not. If photo not empty, then this one, so copy this, no problem, and here I am going to paste it, as this is optional, so you must have to give the photo. There will be nothing like that, it is just optional. If photo not equal to empty, that means you are going to, trying to upload something. So this is the code. File name will be here, I am going to use the author underscore. Okay, so author underscore, then the random time will come here, and this is also okay. MIME type is equal to JPG or PNG. If you want, you can add another one, that is GIF, no problem, GIF, that is also okay. If MIME type is equal to this or this or this, then only a valid photo will be here. otherwise exceptions. So here you can do actually many things. You see all these are exceptions, right? And here you are going to check again, and here you can also throw the exception first, then this one. This is also possible. How you can do that? Here I will just do other things, that is not like this. It will be if my not equal to this, and so here my not equal to this, and there will be another one, and my not equal to this. If any of these are here, then I will add the throw exception, please upload a valid photo. So this is the valid photo, and if everything is okay, then I will bypass this, right? So I will have to bypass this, but you have to understand this one. Before unlink, I must have to do another things, but exception is okay. If path equal not equal to empty, then these things happening. And if empty, what will happen? For example, else, that means path equal to empty. Path equal to empty means here file name equal to empty, no photo here. So existing, that means you are not going to update. But here is one thing, there is probably already it is actually author create, right? So here no problem, here it will be empty. But in the case of edit, I will have to use it in other way, but for now it is okay. So file name is here. So update is the main thing, how I can update, and password equal to this one. So here is actually not update, insert, sorry. So insert will be here, insert like this. So I will insert the data into my here. So it is asking me to change, yes, it is perfect. Name, email, password, photo. So here if I go here, if I go to the table, name, email, photo, password, token, role. Name, email, photo, password, token, role, and status, right? So admin is going to create this one, so status can be one, no problem. So name is post of name, email is post of email, photo is what? Photo is file name, photo is file name. And there is a password equal to this newly generated password after applying the hash technique. And there is a token, by default token is 0 because admin is going to create this author. Role is what? Role is here author. And status is what? Status is here 1 or 0. You see there is a 1 0, so here status is 0. Or if you want, you can create author and inactive by add author. That means when admin will create author, he can change the status. You can also do that. How you can do that? You see, this is the tiny int. So I am going to change the status here, structure, status change, and here not this one. I am going to use a varchar, and it can be 20 for example, and here I save it. Okay, so here I use the status here active. Admin always will be active, and it will be inactive or active. So that means here I apply another condition here, that is after the password field I apply here another one, that is status, and it is a select field, and class will be form select. This will be active or inactive, not on 0. Here I will state call the value, that is active or inactive. Okay, and name will be status. This is okay. So if you use this one, then if I go to the add the author, you see an extra field comes here, that is the status. So now after submission, here there will be another one here, status is also here already here, and here instead of this it will be post of status because you do not know it is active or inactive. And password is okay, so create in, it is going to save here. It is also, so in the file name there must be something, whether it will be empty or there will be the real file name. If there is any error, then exception will be thrown. If no error, then the photo upload system will be here. No unlink because this is the first time he is going to upload the photos. So I am in the admin, so it is going out /uploads file name, that is also perfect. And update users, here I use that, but in my case there will be nothing like that. So move upload files, and this one will work or not, and if this one, then file name changed, and if empty, then there is no move uploaded files, it will be empty. So that is completely perfect here. So if I go to check the profile, what I did here, you see the error message was this, success message was this, there are the success message. So I copy this, and in the author create I put it here, and here session, but I will not use session yet because I did not implement the session system here. So for now it is okay. And the profile I upload it like this. So here in this case I can use this one to show the error message or success message. And instead of profile data updated successfully, here I will have to write author is created successfully. So now if I go here, refresh, you will see submit, name cannot be empty, so it is working. So I am going to create a real author. In the view wall you see no author, add here you will see the author. So who will be the author? And in the case of admin, John Doe admin, it is okay. And here I am going to use the test. Here is, for example, the name is test author 1, email is test author 1@example.com, password 1234, and the photo, if I do not select any photo, what will happen, let's check, active and no photo, submit. Sorry, what happened, data did not entered here, but here author is also not here, but I made some mistake, that is this one, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, here is 3 4 5, that means 2 more items will be here. So okay, let's do that again. So here is test author 1, test author 1@example.com, password 1234, active and no photo. So submit, you see author created successfully, that is good. If I go to the view, you see there is no photo, but name, email and everything is coming, because photo is empty. In my case, in this case I did not upload any photo. And so in order to show that, well, here you see the admin URL, but the photo is actually not into the admin URL, photo is into the base URL. Okay, so let's refresh it. Sorry, this one, you see it is coming. If you want, instead of admin fluid, you can instead call it like this. So okay, and here style wide is okay, height auto is okay, height is auto, only wide is okay, I do not need to give any height, so something like that. So refresh it. So this is the photo test author, like this. I add another one who has the photo, so test author 2 and test author 2@example.com 1234, and here I select a photo. So I am going to check the example photo here. So what I can do, I can use any sample photo from my photo, no, sample profile photos, this one, and I am going to make him inactive. Submit, created successfully. If I go here, you see now photo should come here, inactive, you see it is inactive, that means working, right? So let's view all, go to the view all, and here you see after the view is completed, creation is completed, you can redirect the user to there, but For now it is okay. I will do that later. So here everything is okay, but I will show the status in front of admin, that is here. So after email, I can use the status here. It can be using a badge BG success for active. Yes, that is perfect. So refresh, you see the active users will be like this and inactive users will be shown like this, but everything is showing without any issue. Now I am going to edit the options that I created. For example, I am going to create another test author. So that can be like this, example.com 1 2 3 4. For example, this is another test author that I have created. So go to view all. So this is okay. Now I want to edit this one. So if I want to edit the author, going to author view, here I will have to write PHP echo admin URL, and then here I am going to write author edit.php question ID equal to, that means I will take the ID from here to the edit page. So here the ID will be row of ID. So this is okay. Similar thing will be happen in the case of delete. So click here and it is added. So that is author delete.php question ID equal to this. So author edit.php page is this one, and I am going to work here. So when a person will go to edit this page, so author edit, that means the author create page, something like this. I am going to copy and paste it here. That is the author edit. So in this page the heading will be edit author, and here this one is okay, not going to change, and here is existing photo and change photo. So existing photo I am going to give here and change photo. So change photo and existing photo. Existing photo means here if there is no photo, that means if not session, it actually will be here it tells me this one, but not like this. It is the author information I will need here. So I am going to give here the author information PHP select. So from users where ID equal to this one, that is the post, and then I get all the data. So this is the result, or here author info. So the particular author info I will put in my hand. It will be face, not face all. So author info. So this author info will be here. So if the author info of photo, if this photo equal empty, then it will be base URL, and here not equal to empty. Okay, so uploads, and here will be author info of photo. That means this one I will put here, and else means the default.png will be shown, and change photo is this, it is okay. And here I will write the value equal to author name. The email here will be author email. The password is not needed to reveal here, and here I will write just if author info status equal to active, then selected, otherwise inactive. So something like that. So in the case of inactive, the same thing will be happened. So this is okay, and here it will be update, and this is perfect. Now I am going to refresh. Now if I want to edit this one, existing photo not working. Why? 58 number line offset has the problem. Why is the problem? So here you see the author information. What is the line number? I am going to check it. Array key ID 58 number line. So here is actually post of ID. It will be actually request, not the post, right? So refresh it now. Yes, it is okay. So view all, if I go to here edit, you see this one. If I go to edit this, if you see this one, okay, the photo of the author can be a little bit bigger. So in this case, instead of white 50, I am going to give wide 100 pixel, and author edit will have the same size, that is 100 pixel instead of 50. So it is okay. So this one will be 100. So now let's check it. Yes, it is bigger. So go here, existing photo. So name, email, password not here. It is okay. Status. So this is the thing. You see, I have a mail trap. So if I want an email sending will be better. For example, when I will create any author, then I will send email. But before going to that, I am going to finish the edit section, okay, and then I will fix that. So here you see these one are okay. Update. So when the person will click on the update button, it will take him to the top. So name, email, and all these things are okay. Path. And here is one thing. Here is file name equal to the person do not want to change that data, right? So here I can do one thing, that is the current photo. If you want, you can send there. That means before going to put there, input hidden, using a hidden field, I am going to give current photo equal to author info photo. So this current photo I will send using the request here, and here the file name will be your current photo. So here request of current photo will be the existing photo, and if the person wants to change to upload the photo, so previous one will be unlinked. So I will have to check if the current photo is not equal to empty, then I will have to unlink the previous one, okay. Otherwise no need to unlink this one. So this is the current photo, and here I will go to the password will be the same thing, same system. First I am going to check it, and here update users. You see this is auto generated, author is updated. I will show you, no problem. Now here I am going to do what, that is update users is okay, and here set name, email. I am going to check first one is path, okay. So it is an optional. If a user wants, he can change it or not. If he wants to change it, then there will be some checking if this is a valid or not, and then he will, if everything is okay, then the previous one will be unlinked and the current one will be uploaded, and file name will be changed. And if he does not want to change, that means there is nothing to work with the file name, just the name will be the existing name, because I will update the file name by the same name if he does not change it. So update user set name, email, photo, password, status. And there was another one that was actually here. What is there? I am going to check name, email, photo, password, token, role, status. Actually I do not need to change anything for the role, because I am going to edit the author. Admin is not going to change his information here, so this is okay. And if email, photo, password, status, where id equal to what, and here you see name equal to name, email equal to email, photo equal to this file name, password is a matter here. So I am not going to straight call the password here, because this is important to understand it. Because in the case of password, the similar thing, if the post of password not equal to empty, that means he wants to change the password, then the new password will be here, otherwise the current password will be here. So the current request of current password, if you want, you can send using the hidden file. But I think this method actually is not secured, because if you show the current password here, that is not the case. That is not the case you should do. So here you can use the hidden, no problem in the case of photo, but for the password, the current password system, you cannot apply. So for that I can update the thing in another way. That is when I am going to change the password, and that means if you change the password, then or if you do not change, whatever, Here what I can do, yes, I can show the existing data. That is better. So I have the ID. When I have the ID in my hand, I am in this page, that means the request of ID is in my hand. So by the request of ID I can get the data. So in the top I can check a validation here. Okay, so that is PHP, and it is like this, and here I will check validation. If not is set request of ID, then the user will be redirected to here. And in the admin, here exit is a safe thing to use in all places, so I use the exit. Where I redirect, I use the exit. That means here if you write this, it is better. In the view also, if you write this, it is better. In the dashboard, if you want to write this, it is better. So author edit, here ID equal to this. If not is set means if there is nothing in the ID variable, then I will take the user to here. Else mean I have the data in my ID variable, and then from the users table I will get all the data where ID equal to request of ID. So this is the author info that I again call here. So you can also put here, no problem. Here it is showing if not author info, it will, yes, it is for extra security, extra layer of security, it is better. So author info have the data. So in this case, if you write like this, so the current one you do not need to put here. Author info current one is not needed. So instead of current info, what I will write is where I use the current photo. In these three places I will write author info of photo. So it is okay. Author info is this variable, so author info of photo, it is better. So in this case I can easily write here, that is author info of password. So this is the existing password that is into the database, that will be into the password. Otherwise the new password will come here in the that comes using the post of password. So that is perfect, completely okay. This one is not needed. I am going to change it. And here you see update users where name, email, photo, password, status, name, email, photo, password equal to this, and status equal to this, where ID equal to request of ID. So this is okay. Now I will have to end the items. That means here this way. So what is the syntax error here? On is this one. Not like that. What is happening? This one missing. Yes, now it is okay. So post of name, email, photo, password, status, where ID equal to this one. Okay. So author data is updated successfully. Success message, error message. So yes, so again I get the author information because the data is updated. So in order to show the updated data into the top, I will need again to check it. So it is okay. Update, you see password cannot be empty showing here. Why? I will have to check it. Here you see name equal to password, but it is not required. So in the top there is a password. Here I am going to remove it because password is not needed here. It is not like that. So here I am going to check. I am going to change it. Sorry, I am going to change this one, name and email, and then password. I do not want to change the password. For example, only status make inactive. So update. You see data updated, and you see the data has been changed. Also, it is inactive now. If I want to upload the photo now, so what I will do, I am going to use the sample photo, sample profile photo like this. Open, update. You see data is changed. That means photo is uploaded. There is no error message. Photo is coming here. Okay. So the data changing is working without any issue. Now if I want to delete the data will also be deleted from the uploads folder. You see there are total, this is an author and this is an author, these two author information. If I remove this data from the database table, it will be deleted. also from the folder it will be deleted, the photo will be deleted. So I will work with the author delete option now, but before going there, all the checking that is showing here I am going to copy, because all these will be needed for my case. So I come here, that is the author delete, and here I paste it. So in the top this check will be happened. If I will check if the request is a real request or not, and then everything is okay. Then here not author information, select. If not author, this is also okay, I do not touch it. Then here I will write the delete query. So here what query I will delete, that is PDO prepare delete from here. If I want to run the PHP delete, a statement equal to this one, right? So this will be the request ID, from where the ID equal to this one. And here header location, you can write the header location author view dot php, not message deleted. I am going to put this one. When I will use the Toastr message, then I will fix this thing, so that you can understand, but for now it is okay. I will fix it later to show the data. Here if you want, you can use the PHP closing tag, or if you want you can avoid it, no problem. So delete from users, this one will be deleted, but here before the deletion I will have to unlink the photo. So if sorry, here I am going to use the which one, author info photo. Here if you want you can do that for the secure deletion, or if you want you can straight unlink the photo. So like this. So unlink will be here something like this. So author info, but there can be some author that does not have any photo. So I will have to check if author, if not empty, or author info, if author info photo not equal to empty, and file exists, you can check it, no problem. If you want, then only you will be able to unlink the data. So something like that. So that means if author info, that means the existing data. If this is not equal to empty, that means there must be something here. And file exists, that means in the uploads folder this photo name really exists, then I unlink the photo. So if you accidentally delete the photo for any reason from the folder, if you have this checking, there will be no error message. Otherwise you will get an error if you manually delete the photo from the folder, because the photo is not into the folder but into the database table the photo exists. So this is very important. So I hope you understand the logic here. I am going to remove this row now. Click here, are you sure? Okay, there is no message, that is no problem, I'll show you. But in the uploads you see now only one author, another one that was the author underscore, that is not here. And also from the database table it is deleted. Here is one thing, for example you want to change this test author in the ID equal to 2, but if any person manually try to give here 1, this is actually the admin, right? But I will not allow the admin to do this task from here, because there is a already edit profile option. So this task will not be permissible here. So in the case of author delete and author view, author edit, here if not is set is okay, else means there is data. Here I will check if the request of ID, if request of ID if request of ID here is ID, if equal 1, then I will also header redirection. So if not is set out, okay, but when there is data, then if it is 1, I will take the user back to the previous page. So in the delete I will also do this. This is for the security purpose. So if you try to edit the person 1 from here, it is not possible. You can only edit the authors, not the admin. And if the admin wants to change his own information, he can go in the admin profile option. From here he can do that. So okay, I hope you understand how to manage the authors. I am going to show you another thing that I missed. That is, when I create new author here, then an email should be sent to the author email address so that he can understand an account has been created by his name. Then author can log in into the system using his URL and then the password and email address, and then he can update his profile. Okay, so what will be the email system? I'm going to show you. That is, if I go to send the email, that means in the admin, in the admin there is a forget password, and here the email system was implemented. So I open this and author create file. Here you see when the author is created here in this location, then what will be happen? I am going to send email to author. Okay, so what will be the thing in the top? I will have to call it, that is this one. You see, this is the thing. I'm going to copy and apply it in the top, and then the email will be linked in this way, and then the email sending code is here, the mailer, and up to this. Okay, so I copy the data, and here the send email to author, here I paste it. Here you see I call the PHP mailer class, and this is the object, and I am going to call the functions. Here I am going to call the variables, for example the mail host, mail smtp auth. All the things automatically will come from the config file, smtp username host etc. I do not need to touch it. Where the mail will be sent? The mail will be sent to the author. That means the post of email, it is okay. This is the author email here, and there is nothing to do here. And here you will see the your account created, and the email message is important here. So what was the email message here? That was, for example, this one. I'm going to copy, and here in this case I'm going to paste it. Your account, here I can write, your account has been created successfully, please log in with the following credentials. Okay, then email message dot equal to email. Password will be here. The password will be the real password here, post of password that he gives or that the admin gives here. You can change your password after logged in. So okay, that is perfect. Then login URL is important. So here I am going to give here the login URL. So this will be the login URL. And here you can do another thing, that is login URL, and here I am going to apply BR and login URL. Here I put a BR here, and here is nothing. For example, the URL will be here, href equal to admin URL. I click here. So now check if it looks good. Login.php. So actually the author URL will be the base URL login. So base URL and login.php page will be taken. So here if you want, you can show the complete thing also here again like this. And here if you want, you can apply here. So base URL and then login.php you can apply here like this. It is okay. Now double BR, it is okay. After email, a single BR will come here again. Here will be a single BR, and after the section double BR. So new line will come here. So that is okay. So now let's try to do that. If it works perfectly, I am going to use add another one, that is test author, and test author. Here I write test author 3 @example.com, password 123456 for example for this author. Status is okay. Click on submit. You are going to see that it is taking some time. That means email is going to be sent. Author is created successfully. Okay, admin will be able to see him here. It is active here. The users, yes, it is added. In the mail tab you see the user who is test author3@example.com. This user is receiving this email to his email address. Okay, your account has been created successfully. Please log in with the following credentials, like this. If you click here, it is taking you to the home main page, login. So it is working. Email address is this and password 123456, and after login he can change the information. Now after creating some authors by the admin here, I am going to log in as the author. So first author this one, or second author this one. For example, I am going to log in. But before login, I am going to check the table. You see, some are active and some are inactive. So which author is active, I am going to log in by him now. So in the front end, you see I have the login, and this is the author login actually. Okay, so I am going to open that. So I am going to my front end. So from the admin, I am going to my login.php page. Here is no logout, so here I can create a page that is logout.php. So logout.php. Okay, and there is no author dashboard here. For this reason, I can create another page here that is author dashboard.php page. So this is the author page actually. Author dashboard, author edit profile. I can create author edit profile or author profile.php, something like that. So okay, I am going to work with the login first. So this is the login page, and here you see the login form will be this one, and here you see email address, password, and then login. So here login, I can give a name, form1, and it is like before. And here I am going to use the form post, and here I am going to cut, I am going to button after this. Okay, so this is the form, and after this is the email address. So name equal to email will be here, for example, and here in the case of password, the name will be password. So name, email, and password. And how it will work, I am going to check the admin login. So admin has the login, you know, and also logout. So from the admin logout, I am going to copy, and my logout will be here. I am going to paste, and I will have to include the header.php, and unset will be author. So author will be a separate one, that is the session variable author, and location after this will be base URL, then login.php. So it is okay. I close this one, and logout page is clear. So the login page, I am going to open the login of this. This is the admin login section. So here I am going to apply this condition, these two condition here, and login is error message here. This is okay. I am going to submit it here. Here in the top I call, here it will be author. That means if a person has no variable, no session variable, that is author session variable, then I will take the user to the for example base URL. If he is author, then I will take him to the author dashboard.php that I already created here. Okay, so this is the thing. Now I am going here, this is form 1 in my case, not form login, because you see form 1, and after submission I will check the email, then password, check the users, where email equal to this, and role equal to important, because here role equal to not role, here I give the status is important, and status is active. So without active status, a person will not be able to log in here. So if I do not get any email, then email is not found. Otherwise the result equal to this one, result as row, then I will check the password. If password verify, I am going to check. So everything is okay, and here session will be author before login, and then I will take the user to the base URL and author dashboard.php page. So author dashboard page is empty now, so I am going to copy the login page code from here, and this is author dashboard. but nothing here. Here I will check, if not is set this on, he will be taken to the login.php. So this is the reverse checking here, because author dashboard will only be accessible by author. So if not is set author, then he will be out from here. So exit will be here, and also here I call exit is needed. And so in the dashboard, this one, it is author dashboard. Actually I did not make any design for this page, so I'm not sure how I should handle it. Just put something like this: welcome this author of name, you can manage your articles and profiles from here. Okay, that's okay, fine, that's fine for now. If I try to go to the author dashboard, it will take me to the login page. I must have to log in first, right? So give here login, but actually no error message I applied here. So copy this, and here I am going for now, for as a testing purpose I put it here. So you see, email cannot be empty. If you give here, email cannot be empty. So here I am going to give the email that is the correct email. Admin should not log in using this. So role is important, so I am going to check it here. Another checking, that is from user, where email equal to this and role equal to this. It is important here. I will apply here. Role is author, so it is okay. And in my case, role is this, author. Okay, fine. So if admin tries to log in from here, for example, admin give his email address and password, email not found, because admin cannot log in from here. So I am going to give a valid information here, test author 1. Here it will be example. So example.com 1 2 3 4. You see, yes, I am now logged in. Okay, but there is no logout button because I do not have anything here. So in the top, you see there is only the login. In the top I can do something, that is I am going to close it. Author dashboard is okay, and author profile is also okay. I am going to copy and paste it here. That is the profile, author profile here, and this is the profile page. Okay, I can change the profile from here. So it is okay, no issue at all. I will work with that later, no problem. But for now, dashboard is I am going to check. And the menu, where is the menu? In the front end, the menu is into the nav, and the header is here. I am going to the header. So in the header top section, you see this is the login. Here I will apply some condition. That means if you are author, that means if here PHP, and here you see the GitHub Copilot helps me. If is set session of author, okay, then these two items will be shown. Else this item will be shown login. Okay, that's good. I think it is okay. So here you see author dashboard, and here you can show also the profile, that is profile, and here profile. In this way you can show like this. So author profile.php, logout is this one. So okay, if I refresh, you see dashboard profile logout. If you now try to go to the login.php, it will take you back to the dashboard by default. So it is okay. From here I can go to dashboard. For example, I go to any other page. So how I can back to the dashboard? Just click here, it will take you to the author dashboard, and this is the logout. If I log out, you see lockdown successful. And now if I try to go to the author dashboard, not possible because I already have logged out. So login and logout is working, and also in the dashboard you see it is working. Test user 1, and here 1 2 3 4, you see this is the test user. It is okay, no information, but welcome to the test user. You can manage here, you can show a lot of things if you need afterwards. That is not a problem at all. And there is another one, that is the profile. How you can change the profile, I will show you, not a problem at all. Now I am going to work with the edit profile section. If I click on the profile, you see author profile, but I did not apply any form here. So what you can do is I can copy here, that is the login page structure, because there was a form. So I bring back the form here, that is into the author profile. So put it here, and here I am going to give the name. So all the information to edit, name equal to name, and existing name you can show here using the session author of name, that is okay. And after that I can use here the email address, that will be here, it is also okay. Type I am going to use the text here, not email. So name, email, and here if he wants he can change his password. And lastly there will be an update button and form on. So this is okay. And if I refresh, you see the test author is the name, email is this, password is this, and author has another information, that is the author cannot change his own role by himself or status. He cannot touch it. He can just change name, email, photo, and password. So another one is photo. So photo means here I am going to give here, that is the existing photo. Existing photo will be here. So here existing photo will be, if there is any author photo session, here I will have to use the session because this will be the user photo. So that means the author photo. So if session photo has any data, then I will show that photo here in this way, that it gives here, that is also, that is okay. And class fluid, I think, I'm not sure about this, I will show you, no problem. Otherwise I am going to show the default.png. okay, so in both cases max wide can be 100 pixel, it is okay, not 200. And let's check how the class works. I am going to refresh it. Yes, it is okay, no problem. And I will have to change the information and then click on update. So here just click on update. What will happen after that, here another one will be here, because there is photo, so enc type will be added here. Now after clicking of the update button, then it will take the user to here. So that means I am going to the admin profile. Admin has a profile, and here I did the same thing, and success message and error message I can show here also, like the others. So something like that, okay. And profile here, after submitting the data, it is the form update. And try is here, try catch. So I am going to copy the whole thing from here, and in my author profile I am going to put it here. So here it will be if then is set, then it will be post of form 1, and here I use the try catch block. So now let's check it. So update the name and email. So if the post name equal to empty, so here name cannot be empty, email cannot be empty. If he give a bad format email, it will show it, it is okay. And normally the update will be happen like this, that is the update user set name, email, where id equal to, this one is okay. So this is one way. And another one, you know, I did in the case of author. You can also work in that way also. So it depends. If the password, I do not have any retype password, I am not going to make it complex, make it simple. So if the password not equal to empty, or what can do, if the password, no, there is no retype password. So update password can be here two ways. One is if the post of password not equal to empty, okay, then I will change the password by this, by the new password, and then update the database table. So this is very straightforward and easy method, I think. So if the post password not equal to empty, that means he gives something there, and that will be updated. And so the post of password equal to password, this is the new password, and then the update the users table, here it will be author, password equal to this this one, where id equal to session of author id. In the case of photo, what will happen, I am going to give it here, and also if you see here, then existing photo, but here I did not give any change photo. So here you will have to give an option, that is change photo. In the change photo I will have to write like this, font control not needed, just name equal to photo, it is okay. These are the extra items not needed. Okay, so these are the things. Okay, now here I am going to give the path, that is the file of photo name, and if the user do not want to change path not equal to empty, and if empty, what will happen? If empty, then I will give the file name, that is file name equal to session of not admin photo, it will be author photo. Okay, so the existing one will be into the file name and nothing to change here. Profile data updated successfully, here will be author, it is okay. Author name and email will be updated, name, email, it is okay. And here the file name equal to this, and this one, if he wants to change it, here it will be author underscore. And if any error, so here I apply it in this way, so that means this one I cut from here, paste it here, so like this, and this one will be inside here, where I write like this, sorry, here if the MIME type, here I put not equal to this, here will be and MIME type not equal to this, here I put and MIME type not equal to this, then there will be an error, valid photo I need. And here is if I here give the author, because here also author. Okay, so let's check it now. If the session author of photo not equal to empty, that means there is something in the existing photo, so then only I will unlink. And then move uploaded file means the new photo I am going to upload here, and update set photo is this, file name equal to this file name, session, where session author ID equal to this, and session here I will have to update the photo, that is session author photo equal to the file name, it will be updated. So everything should work here. Now I am going to check it. If I give 1 on instead of 1, updated successfully, but 38 39 has the issue. 38 39, why? Path, it is telling the array key photo 38, undefined array key photo. Why this is undefined? CNAME, sorry, here is not CNAME, spelling mistake. I again do that. No, I again do that like this. Update, yes, now it is updated. So here instead of on I give another one, triple on, update. Okay, and if I go to the table, you see it is updated. And here if admin see, he will see that this is updated. And then here I am going to change the photo of this person, and for example the sample photo I am going to check it here. So for example this person I am going to update it. You see move uploaded file has the wrong link because I am into the front end, so that is the issue here, because unlink will not be .. it will be upload/, and here it will be move uploaded also upload/, because I am working now in the front end, right? And here it is okay. So here if I reload it, successful, yes, it is coming, but the previous unlink is not working. Not a problem at all. Here you see photo coming, and now I will change the photo. Okay, here if you see, you will see it is working. And if duplicate is entered, I am going to check it. So that is uploads. No, one author is here. Oh, so that is okay. Now if you wants to change this photo, it is also possible. I give this person name here. Now update, previous one should be deleted. You see this one and this one, 2 items, and another one is not here. That means the previous one is deleted. If admin refresh, he will also see this person. So in this way he can change also his information, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, for example, update. Okay, now data is updated. Now I log out. If I want to give the test author @example.com, so something like that, 1 2 3 4 will not work anymore. Password does not work. So I will have to give the password 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and now you see I can log in. So I change the password to 1 2 3 4 again and update, and it should work. Log out. So here is test author 1 2 3 4 login. Yes, it is working. It is working. So I go back to make the email and name to previous, that is 1 and 1. So refresh it again, and it comes back to 1 again. So in this way the author will be able to change his profile. Now I am going to work with the forget password option. Here you see there is no link to reset or forget the password. So in the login I am going to do that. So for now I am going to close everything from here, and this is my login.php page. And here after this, that means here I am going to create a forget password link. Okay, so if I click here, you see this is the forget password link. So here I fix the spelling. Okay, and here if a person click on forget password, he will be taken to the page. That means here echo base URL and forget password. So forget password.php, but actually there is no page here yet. So I will have to create in the main here. That means where there is a login, in the same location I will have to create forget password.php, this page, and login page I am going to copy and paste it here. This is similar to it, but forget password, and here it is forget password is okay. Form on, here I will change it, and here you see email address is okay, no password needed, and here you will be submit, and here is back to login page. So back to login page, and so here it will be login.php. so it is okay. So from here I can shift, refresh. So if I click here, you see this is forget password. Okay, and back to login page. So it is working. Now I will make it functional. So here name is email is okay, and here the form on is the submit. So when you will submit, it will take you to here, and here I will apply the rest of the code. So in the admin I used the same thing, that is the forget password. So I will apply the same procedure here. That means here in the top I will have to send email. So in the top I will have to call it. So here I will have to call it here, and here in the forget password, here you will see the try cache email is okay. Then I check this one. So I am going to copy everything that was into the try. So copy everything, and here I am going to replace it like this. Okay, so this is the success message, and error message is this. Okay, so here email is okay, and from the users I will check email and role. So in this case, in my case, what I will do, in my case an author is going to forget his password. So it is important that his status is active or not. So status is active, and this is okay. And then the total email not found, if it does not match the criteria, email and status if does not matches, then email is not found will be shown. And here you see the update users set token. So I will create a token here now where email address is this. Token is the current time. That is also okay, no problem. Please click on the following link in order to reset the password. So here I will write here a base URL, and reset password.php page I will create here in the same location, that will be reset password.php. So here the email will be this and token equal to this. This is the reset password link. And then the mail trap I am going to use reset password is okay. Email message is this, it is also okay. Please check your email and follow the steps. That is also okay. Now what I will do, now my next task is here. If you want, you can reduce the step. You can just put like this, it is enough. And okay, I'm going to remove it. Now let's check what is going to be happen. Refresh it, go to forget password. If I do not give any, if I do make this field empty, then email cannot be empty. If I give a bad email format, email is invalid. If I give an email that does not exist, then it will show email is not found. Now I am going to give the correct email address and click on submit. You will see in the mail trap the user will receive something. You see here it is coming, and in the mail trap I am going to refresh, and you will see reset password comes here. So the new email is receiving by him. Please click on the following link. Here is the reset password. If I click here, nothing will happen because I did not implement this section. And here in the email message, here a new line is needed. It is okay. Now reset password page is empty, you know. So like the forget password, I am going to copy the login page. Okay, so copy this, and in the reset password paste it. So here there will be no link here, and here it will be submit, and 2 times he will have to give the password. One is this and another one is confirm password. So here will be confirm password. So it will be confirm password. It is okay. 2 times he will have to give it, and it is reset password. So okay, so this is the thing. And here you see not this one, in the forget password what I did, these links actually not needed in this case, and in this case I do not need this actually. And here in the reset password, what I did in the case of admin, the same thing I am going to copy from there. That is the reset password of the admin, and in the top I will have to run this check in the case of reset password here. So select all from users where email and token is this. If this matches, then only I will proceed. Otherwise I will take the user to the base user and login page. Okay. And another one is when the form is submitted. So this one is the message. So in my case I am going to replace the try information here like this. So if the password and retype here, retype, so I am going to give here retype password. So retype password, so the same field. Okay, if now both the fields are not matches, passwords do not match, and empty is this, and then password will be newly given password that the user is going to give, that is the password, and update the users to where token. Then I will update the token empty password to this new password where email and token are that are coming, the request which is coming from the URL. So here I am going to give the base URL and login.php after reset, and URL means here. So this link I am going to copy because this will only work for the first time, because you are going to get here, you see this is my token. So here I am going to press enter, the form comes. Now if I reset the password to 123, previous password was 1234, he forget it, so I am going to reset it, that is 123. Now if I click on submit, yes, password is changed, but you do not see it because there is no error message. I will show you that in next lecture, no problem. But you see, if I now go here, you see token is removed. That means the password reset function is done. Now if you try to again go back to check this URL and enter, it is not possible. So let's try to log in with the new password now. So this one and 1234 will not work anymore. You see, password do not match because it is already changed and it is now 123. So now log in, you see, yes, it is possible and he is logged in now. So the reset password and forget password is working. I am going to again reset it to 1234 from the admin panel, from the author panel, and now 1234 login. Yes, he is now logged in. So forget password and reset password is perfectly working. Now I am going to show you another thing, that is in the login. You see, if I click on login, email cannot be empty, but this pop-up does not actually looks very good. What I did in the case of admin panel, here you see, if I log in, here is also the same thing. So in the total admin panel and in other places, I will use the Toastr message system. I am going to check if the dist front or dist admin has already the functionalities. Here you see igitoast.min.js already called here. So igitoast.min.js, how I can call it, I will show you that. Okay. So I am going to the chatgpt.com, and in the chatgpt, I am now going to tell that I have toast.which file I am going to show here my project, that is dist admin.js. So this is the Toastr message igitoast.min.js. Okay, so I have igitoast.min.js and igitoast.min.css. How to call those in footer? So if I write like this, then you will see the JavaScript will come. If it is already calling or not, in order to check in the front end, I am going to the header.php file, and here if I go to the top, you will see there is igitoast is not called here. Okay, so sweet alert is another one. So there are two ways you can use the sweet alert, or if you want, you can call the igitoast. Okay, so sweet alert is already called, so here I can ask it not this sweet alert. So let's go there. Now skip the igitoast. I have sweet alert this and this one. Now write the custom JS that I can add in the footer. So if you write like this, you will see that it will tell me how to apply this one in the footer. So in the header and footer, both places it is called. So here you see that the swirl.fire is given, and this is very important here, and button delete item is not needed, just swirl.fire, it is okay, I think. So let's test it first. So in my footer, I am going to work with the front end first. So in the footer, after the custom JS, here I write the script and call the swirl.fire. So what happens, I am going to check it. So let's go there. In the login, you see the page has loaded successfully. So in this way, you can show all the messages or any other type of things you can also apply here. So confirmation button text is okay. So there is swirl.sweet alert. That means swirl.fire. If I search sweet alert, so I am going to their official website, and here you will see this one I applied here, but there are some other system here. This one, this one. So let's try which one I will use. Let's check it. This one is good. Position icon, confirm button, false. So in the top right section it will show. So I can call this one, that means position is top end, and then icon equal to success, that is already given here. Then title is your work has been saved, that means the welcome, it is okay. And show confirm timer is this. So here I am going to write like this, and text is okay. So let's check it now how it looks like. You see the page has loaded successfully in this way, it is showing. And if there is any error, then what happens? Okay, so error is this and success is this. So this is perfect. If you want, you can use like this one, it will come in the top and then out. So this is okay. And what other items are here, I am going to check it. This one, and I am going to check more. Custom, this one, okay. So all these things you can apply here. So this is one thing. Okay, so drag me this one. This is sweet alert. Okay, so this is one way that you can call. Another one is IJI toast. So if you want to call the IJI toast, that means header.php is needed for me. And here instead of sweet alert, here I can call another one. I am going to make it hidden, and here I am going to call the file name, that is igitoast.min.js. So here in this case, sweet alert, instead of this it will be CSS. And here like the sweet alert, I am going to copy paste it, then make it this. And here I am going to write igitoast.min.js. Now the ChatGPT they told me to apply this way in the top, that was here igitoast.info, something like that, and success. So here if you want, you can also apply in that way. So two types of script are implemented here, so you just use what you need, so that's okay. And here I can call it is not working. So title is success, IGI toast, footer and header. Dist front here is, actually this is into the admin, right? Dist admin. So I will have to copy the JS from here, and in my dist front JS I will have to paste it, because here is no IGI toast. So from the admin I am going to CSS, and then igitoast.css copy, and I am going to the front CSS and here paste it. Now it should work. So you see in the top your message has been sent, a nice pop-up is coming. So that is also okay, you can use this one. So this is for the success. And title, instead of title you can just write the message, it is also okay. Your message was sent, something like that, it looks good. And if I use the error message, so that is error, and position top right is okay, the message was not sent, it is also okay. And then if I write like this, you see two items are showing, one is error and another one is right. So error was not sent. So this is my footer. So I am not going to use the swirl, I just show you so that you can apply it, but I am not going to use it anymore. So I use the IGI toast, so it is okay. Now in the pages, for example in the login, you see here I applied if is set error message, right? So this was the thing. Here I will apply some tricks. So I will do two things. One is here I am going to remove it because I do not need to have it. And here you see when there is a error message, I will show you so that you can understand. In the error message I should send the user to a page, or there is a error message. For example, this error message is here happening, right? So if in the login, if you click here, you see two messages are coming without any condition. So here I will have to apply the condition. So for example, here I am going to use something like that, that is here PHP condition if is set, then error message. So error message, if this comes, then the error will come. That means this one is okay, and here PHP and end if okay. So this is one condition that you can apply here, and the similar thing I am going to copy and paste it here. One is error, another one is success message, and in the error message I keep the error, remove this. In the case of success message I keep success and remove the error. So it is the thing, and message will not be this, message will be this error message. So here the message I can write here, that is the error message, it is okay. And same thing here I can write, which is success message. So now let's do that. If I refresh, nothing happens. If I click here, email cannot be empty, so error message coming. But if I refresh, you see confirm form resubmission is coming. So this is not good. So in order to protect that, I will do something. That means here when I will you will see any kind of error message, I will put it into a variable. So it will be into a session variable. So session of error message, I will put it into here. Then header location will be login, and then there will be a exit. So this is the trick here. And when the dashboard, he will go to dashboard. Here also I will put exit is okay, but here a session I will call another session. So that is the success message session. So here is success message, and here I will write the login is successful. Okay, so login is successful, this message will come. So this is better. And when it will show here in the footer, then here I will have to write not error message, it will be if is set session of error message. If this thing happens, then it will be error message, and when it is going to be ended, here I will have to unset the error message. So only one time it will be shown, otherwise not. So a similar thing will be in the case of success message here, and also here will be unset success message. So you will understand. Now I will show you this type of problem will not show here. Now if you click on login, email cannot be empty, but if you now again click here, no form resubmission is happening. So when login showing this message, refresh this page, only one time it will be shown, but this has been unset. So second time it is not coming, so I unset the error message here. So similar, when I am going to log in, for example I am going to log in as this test user, login, you will see login is successful, success message showing, and here it comes. So like that. Similar type of thing I will use in the case of my logout, when the header location, but here I will write the session of success message logout successful. Then yes, it will take the user to the login page, and in all other pages the footer will come in all the places. So this is perfect one. So now for the logout it will work. That means if I now log out, you will see logout successful message coming without any reason, without any problem. So here it is coming. Now profile. So here if I click here, nothing, the previous system is here. So I will apply the same thing in the case of author profile, and here this type of message is not needed anymore because footer handles it. Only here I will have to write the data. That means here when the success data updated successfully and profile data is updated successfully, here session message will be this one, and after that it will be redirected header location to the author profile and then exit. Similarly here error message will be like this, and then header location author profile and exit. So my task is done. So refresh. Now click on update, profile data updated successfully by this. And if I remove anything and then try to update, name cannot be empty. So right, so it is working perfect. So this is the thing it is happening here. I hope you understand how to work with that. So author profile section is completed here now, and here you will see that the front and other cases I actually did not start work with the contact page. So when I will work with that, you will understand. So log out now. In the case of forget password, the same thing I will have to apply. So I will have to go to the forget password and the reset password. So in the case of forget password, double click. Okay, so forget password, here the similar thing. That means here after this one will be actually not like this. It will be success message will be this, and lastly here will be exit. Here will be error message and forget password, and then this one. So the task is actually done. Here is nothing needed like this. So remove it. Okay, so here submit, you see email cannot be empty, you see email is invalid, and then you'll see email not found. Right, back to login page. Okay, so similar thing that I did here, I will apply the same thing in the case of reset password. So when the reset password will be successful, success message password is successfully. Okay, header location is this, and here I will have to apply these 3 items, 3 lines. Okay, reset password.php, but here you see it comes actually with the email and token. So instead of here, you can write here the email is this and token is this, and other things, that means here it is not needed. So remove it. So these are the, in short, all the things, and these are the fixing. In the case of Toastr message is working in the case of frontend. So similarly in the case of admin, you see if I click here, there is no Toastr. So similar thing, exactly the same thing I will do in the case of admin. So in the admin layouts, I am going to the header and footer. So in the case of header of the admin, and here is IGI Toast already called here, and here you see already IGI Toast is called. Okay, so that is a good sign for the admin. I do not need to have the extra work. And in the bottom, that means like the front and footer, I will have to apply these 2 lines. So this, from this to this. So in the footer, I will have to call this, and I hope it will work. So I am going to check it. So this is the admin footer, and now I am going to the login, and in the login, this type of message not needed, and here this is okay, and here success message login successful, and here is exit, and here is I am going to change it. After that, location will be login and then exit. So it should work in the case of login. So refresh. Sorry, I am going to do that. Login, you see, yes, it is working. Login working. If it is error, then if I give the wrong information, login, you see email not found. So that is perfect. So login successful is showing here. So this page task is completed. In the logout, here I am going to use the session success, logout successful. Okay, so the message will come here now. And in the case of forget password and reset password, so forget password here in the case of admin panel, I will have to write it. That means success message equal to success, or here I can use the success message session of success message equal to this, and then here will be header location. Header location will be forget password exist. Okay, error message is here, and then location forget password exit. That is okay, and these 2 messages I am going to remove from here now. So this is the case of forget password, and in the case of reset password, I will have to do the same thing. So here I am going to remove this thing now, and then here before header location, I am going to write header success message, and here I am going to use this one, and then header location is this, reset password admin URL exit. So everything should work. So okay, so reset password, forget password, everything should work now. And in the case of admin, you know, there are many other places. For example, in the profile I worked with something. So in the case of profile, the similar thing I will have to apply, so I remove it. And here when the success is happened, so here I am going to use the session of success message equal to success message, or you can directly call this one, that is this thing. So here you can write something like that, and then header redirection to the profile.php header location, but here it will be the admin URL. So here admin URL like this, admin URL, and profile.php, and here will be error message, location will be admin URL profile.php exit, and here also you will have to call the exit. So this is okay, and it should work. Profile and other places here are inside the author, create, delete, edit, and view. 4 places. In the view actually there is nothing, but in the author edit there is something. For example, now when it was edit, author updated successfully, but here I am going to write the session success message, author update successful, error message is here, and here will be no, there is nothing like that. Here will be header. So header, location, admin URL, author, view, exit. Here similar thing, edit, exit. If error, then it will go back, it will come back to the same page, and if edit is completed, it will take you back to the view page. And here this type of information not needed. And here is create, and in the case of create, here I will have to write session success message like this, and error message like this. Success, after success message, header, location, admin URL, author, view, and if there is any error, then it will go back to the same page with exit. That is okay. Now I am going to delete it, and when I am going to delete any author, then after the deletion it did not show any message, you remember probably. So here I can now show the message, author is deleted successfully. That is perfect thing. So refresh it, login, you see error. If I give the admin example.com 1234, then you will see there is message already showing here, login successful, author is this. If I want to add the author, you see name cannot be empty. If you give name, then it will show email cannot be empty. If you give these 2 items, then it will show password cannot be empty. And if I apply something like that and then submit, it will be created because email is going to be sent, you see, and there will be a message, author is created successfully. So message creation is completed. If you go here, you will see that this author creation is successful, and if I go to the mail trap, you will see your account created, this one comes here. So it is perfect. Now I will remove it so that you can understand. So I can just go here, are you sure? Okay, you see author is deleted successfully, so deletion is completed. Now if I refresh, it is not here. So the Toastr message is showing, and if I go to the edit profile, admin edit profile data updated successfully, so it is working. Now I am going to log out, and you see logout successful message is coming here. So the Toastr message is working both in the front end and in the back end. Now I am going to work with the advertisement section. You will see that in the advertisement section there is a top advertisement, and after there in the home page there is a advertisement under the hero section, and above footer there is another advertisement, and here you will see there is a sidebar advertisement 1 and sidebar advertisement 2. That means top section and bottom section. So I will work step by step, and if you go to any other page, there is no advertisement, only the top advertisement is there, and but above the footer and hero section, there is no other advertisement here in the other page. So what I will do, I will create a table here. For example, I am going to create a table for those advertisements. So I have total how many advertisements? 1, then there is a 2, 3, 4 and 5. So total 5 section I have the advertisement. Here I am going to write the table name, that is advertisements, and here how many columns? So for the 5 section there are 5 and 1 is for the ID. So I create total 6 sections. 1 is the ID and it will be primary key and auto increment, so like this. And here it will be top. It is in the table is advertisement, so here I can give the top section, so it is top. And then above footer I can call above footer. Above footer means actually home bottom. So here home hero and home above footer, and another one is sidebar. So sidebar top and another one is sidebar bottom. So these are the things, and here I can put the varchar for each cases, so like this. And here I can give 255 is okay for this now. And then I can write the advertisements, and you must have to give advertisement, or you can keep those null. That means if you want, you can keep those nullable fields. So I am going to give here, you see these are the advertisement and there is no data. So I am going to insert the blank data first, because there is, for example, no advertisement. So how I can do that? In the dashboard of the admin panel, here I can create an advertisement sections. So here I am going to create, that means in the admin there is a sidebar, and this was a section here, so I am enabling it, and this is advertisements or advertisement section. So in this advertisement section, this is a folder, not this one. That means I am going to check that is folder. So if I want to use the folder icon here, then I can create the folder icon like this. So it will be this one. So I am going to use that item here. So this will be the folder icon, and like this advertisement. Okay, so advertisement section is like this one. And if I use the FAS instead of FAR, what will happen? You can also use this one, because this is fill up icon, so this is better. So this is advertisement, and the advertisement sections are what I created. So that is the top section, and here is home hero section, and then I am going to write all others. Home above footer, or here you can also write only home footer, that is also okay, home footer. And there is sidebar top, so here is sidebar top, and another one will be sidebar bottom. So these are the sections, and I am going to create in the admin some files, that is advertisement top.php. okay, so first I will work with the top section. So here the link will be here it will be admin URL, so php echo admin URL, and this is advertisement top.php. So it is okay. And now I am going to here, and home above footer, here I am going to write shortcut, that means home footer. So it will be better in this case. So okay, fine, I am now going to check it. Now in the advertisement top, that means this one, I am going to work with this. I am going to close other things. Okay, so this page will like the, for example, the profile, or here author edit or something like that. I am going to copy this and I am going to paste it in the top. If not admin, then login, it is okay. And my task is to check here. Here actually the author view or something like this, it is not needed, I remove it. Form on is okay, and here it is advertisements table. I will get where id equal to 1 here, and here advertisement information, advertisement info, and edit advertisement, and here I write the top, and this section is not needed here, so I remove it. And here existing photo and change photo, others are not needed, so I remove all other items from here. Update is okay. So existing photo, you know the advertisement can be empty or not, so here I will have to check if there is an existing photo or not. So if there is no advertisement photo, here if photo not equal to null, then I will write here the advertisement info of top, because if I go here, you see this is the field name top, so it is top. And here if no photo, here instead of showing default photo, I will show no photo found, that is better. Change photo, here I am going to give the name as top, and update is okay. So if I now go to that page, if I go to the top section, you will see undefined array key photo, actually no photo, it is top. So I am going to refresh, you see no photo found, and if no photo found, it will be red color. So class equal to text danger. So if I write, it is better. So no photo. So advertisement has no photo found, and a link will be there. If there is any photo get, then there will be a link to delete the photo. Delete, it is important. So class equal to btn danger btn sm, and delete, and but a confirmation will become here. So on click, so here I write on click equal to return confirm, and here are you sure, so something like that. And after submission, it will come here in the top, but there will be nothing like that, so I am going to remove it. So here the file name, here it will be top, and also here it will be top. Now I will check if we are going to give any photo or not. So here if path equal to empty, then an exception will be shown here, because you must have to give the photo name, right? So please select a photo to upload. So if path equal to empty, you must have to give something. So here I am going to cut it, and here I am going to do on thing password, and these are not needed, so paste it. And here it is advertisement top. For example, this is the sample photo name, advertise, or here you can write the full advertisement underscore top, then the current timestamp, then extension. And if MIMES type not equal to empty, please click a valid photo, that is okay. So this checking will be also here. Here it is showing that after that the unlink, that means if the current advertisement info has anything, that means the existing code I will have to write here. So the same thing what I did here, I am going to copy, and in the top I am going to paste, it is needed. This is the existing information, so existing information will be here. If the existing top not equal to empty, so I will have to unlink the previous one, so that is okay. And then move means I am going to create a new one. So I update advertisements set top equal to what, set top equal to here, okay, set top equal to this file name where id equal to 1, and advertisement is updated. Advertisement, here I write top is updated successfully, header location advertisement top, okay, top.php, this is okay, and if there is any error then advertisement top.php, so that is okay, perfect. So refresh. Now I am going to click, you see, please upload a photo to upload. If the photo extension is not correct, for example, I am going to give here any mp4 or something like that. Sorry, what is happening? The size exits probably. So here what I will do, I am going to my project frontend HTML, for example an HTML file. You will see, please upload a valid photo. So what I will have to do, that is uploads, and for the advertisement I am going to give, for example, this one as an example. So you see this photo coming, and a delete button is there. So if you want, you can delete that photo. So here I am going to use a beer tag, so delete comes in the bottom, and existing photo, that means here I can use another one, margin top 10 pixel, yes, and the default photo should be a little bit bigger, for example 200, because this is an exact advertisement. So okay, that is better. So here if you go to the table, you will see this is the advertisement top, and if I go to the folder, so here I am going to check uploads folder, you see advertisement, this one coming here, only one item. Now if you want to delete this one, for example I do not need this photo, what will happen here, instead of this I am going to use a form. So here is form, already there is a form. So anchor is okay for now. I will have to create another one, advertisement top delete or something like that. And if you want to use the same deletion here, because there is no other photo, so I can use this one here outside of this, that means where I am going to select the photo. So here I will have to call the form, the existing one is outside. So in this case I can call here form, another form I can call here. So here it is like this, and here input type I am going to use letter. Here is return, confirm, delete, it is okay, but here will be button. So button type equal to here submit, and class is okay, on return is okay, button is okay, this is okay. And if I write like this, nothing changes. If I click here, it is asking me something. Okay, so if I want to delete it, where it will take me? So here I will give a name of that button, that is form 2. In the main form was form 1, so it is form 2. So in this case, if you set form instead of form 1, here I will write form 2. That means the top advertisement I will straight delete. So first what I will do, so first here try catch you can call, but it is not necessary here. I will just try to unlink the existing one, and existing one already in my hand, that means advertisement info of this. So here I am straight going to call this one and then update the database, that means I will delete data. So php delete this query, and from the advertisements I delete, but not like this. Delete will not work here, update. And the top I should set the top, so top equal to hot, I set it where id equal to hot, and then here execute. Here you can call it the null, it is also okay, or here if you give it empty, it is also okay, where id equal to 1. So that is perfect, I think. And after the task is completed, session success message is deleted successfully, top exit, that's good. So now let's do that. I am going to delete the data. Okay, you see again it is deleted, it is empty. Okay, null again or empty, and here if you go, there is no data. So that means the advertisement top section is working. So I can use this one, that is a perfect one for the advertisement. Here if I want, I can increase the width, that will be better, 300, or you can make it more bigger, 400. So yes, it looks better now. After completing the top section here, now I am going to change the data here. That means I am going to the front end. So let's go to the front end, and in the front end you will see there is a header, and in the header there is advertisement, I think in the top, that is ad1.png, this one. So what I will do, I am going in the header to call the data for the advertisement. That means PHP select all from advertisements where id equal to here 1. So all the advertisement data will be in my hand. So advertisement data, and here it will be fetch. So I am going to remove other. Okay, so this advertisement data I will have to show where? I will have to show in this location that was given here. So advertisement can be here or cannot be here. So two types of condition will be here. So if not empty, so that means if advertisement data of top not equal to empty, then only this section will be shown. And here end if, and if empty, then nothing should be shown here. And here actually I do not, if you want you can put a link, it actually depends. I am not going to put any link here for now, link is not needed, just I will show the data. But if you want you can keep any link here, manually link, or if you want you can just change the link from the back end. It depends actually how you want to make it more flexible. So anyway, so you see this is the advertisement. Now if I delete the photo, or instead of delete, if I change the photo, for example, I am now going to add this one. Okay, so update, you see this one, and in the folder the previous one deleted, new one uploaded. Now if you refresh, you see this is the advertisement section. So you will have to resize the photo from the Photoshop or any other tools, using any other tools, and then you will have to upload it. So anyway, I am going to put it again, add one, it comes, and if you refresh, you see it comes. And if you delete it, no advertisement, refresh, you see there is no advertisement found. So everything is perfectly working here. I again upload, and again it is showing here. Now I am going to work with the next section, that is home hero section. So let's go to the sidebar of the admin panel, and now I am going to add this one. So okay, so copy this and paste it here, and that will be advertisement home hero. So home hero section. So here I am now going to add here something, that is, here you see there is a class, active class. So if it will active or not, in order to define it, I will have to use this one. So the active will only be that time if the current page equal to advertisement top.php, that means this one, or here I will write the current page equal to home hero. And there are many other pages, you see home advertisement and other things, that I will come later, no problem. But for now I am going to work with the home hero section. Now in order to work with the home hero, I am going to remove it for now. So home hero section, and now I will have to create a page in the admin folder, that is advertisement home hero, and then hero.php. This is the file. Now I am going to copy the complete thing from here and paste it here, and in the top it is okay, and advertisement info is okay, and here is home hero. So home hero is the name here, and then select a photo, it is okay, and here I will write that is home hero, and then I will write this one advertisement top, where there is top it will be home hero section. Okay, so this one I'm going to copy, and here instead of top it will be home hero, and home hero, this will be like this, it will be advertisement home hero. Here it will be also that. Now I am going to check, this is home hero, this is home hero, and home hero, this is also okay when I want to remove it, and here it is okay. Here home hero section, and here it will be home hero, and inside this one, and everything should work here. Instead of this, it will home hero. Now I am going to search here by top, if there is any top. No, it is layout top, no problem. So home hero section is okay. Now I am going to work with this. Refresh. If I click here, you see this is the home hero section. Top has the message and this is the home hero, but the blue color is not selected because here I will have to apply another active one. Here you see this is the active, because here I will have to apply like this one. So instead of active, I call it is the advertisement top. So advertisement top, then it will be selected. And here if advertisement home hero, then it will be selected. Now it is okay. Refresh, you see when home hero, this is blue color, it is selected. When top, you see top is selected. So home hero and top. Now if I click here, you see click select a photo to upload. Now I am going to upload any photo here. For example, this is which photo I want to use here, that can be project, and then I am going to uploads. For example, this one. Okay, so upload. You see it is uploaded. If I go to the folder now, project, and my main project folder, and then into the uploads, then you will see that the home hero advertisement, this one is normal, and this is actually this is a long name, so it is not showing dot dot, but here you see the full name is advertisement home hero. So instead of home hero, here one thing, that is the image name home hero. Yes, it is working, no problem. So okay, now I am going to change this photo. For example, I am going before changing, I am going to delete this one. So delete, you see it is deleted. If you see, it is not here now, and from here it is also deleted. It is home top, it is top, but the hero is not here. So now okay, again upload a photo. For example, this one, and upload. You see it is uploaded, and also here you see it comes, that is advertisement. This one will be now replaced, and here if I refresh, you see this one is here. Now I am going to change the photo. So in order to change the photo, home hero section has the same type of photo. I am going to check what is the home hero. That means this one, right? So okay, this one will be changed. If I now change by this, upload, yes. If I go here, you see this is changed and previous one is removed. Now I will show that into the home page. So in order to show that in the home page, hero means index.php. Here you see at 3, not this one. My hero section was new sticker home main. Okay, so home main section, after ending the main, this is the hero section. So here I can call the thing that I added into the here. So that is advertisement top. So copy this, because header call this. So home hero should automatically be gotten here. So here I write end if, and inside this I will change it. That was like this. So copy this one, and here I am going to replace this one, and here it will be home hero. So now let's check it if it works. Yes, this photo is coming, right? So this is the photo. So now if you delete it, for example I delete it, there is no ad section here anymore. And if I bring the new ad, for example this one, upload, you will see that comes here. Now I will change it and make it the add-on.png or something like that, and the long ad here. So it is working. So this is perfect now. Now I am going to work with the home footer section. So in order to work with that, go to the sidebar, and here I am going to apply another condition here, that is home footer. Okay, and here in the bottom, in this position, there will be two links. One is here active, so I copy this, and this active thing I will apply here, that is home footer. And the href, here I will copy this one, and this one will be added here, that is home footer. Okay, so this is the item, and here already footer added, so it is okay. Now create a full file here, that is advertisement home footer.php. So like the home hero, I am going to copy the full code from here and paste it here. So like the home hero, I will have to write here home footer. So just search by hero here. So this was the hero. So here I will write home footer, and here footer. Then the next search result is hero is here, that is here. So home, here it will be footer. Here I also write here the footer. Here is footer, here is footer, here is footer, here is footer, and now this is the home hero. This will be home footer, this will be footer, here is footer and bottom footer, and here is home footer section, and after that here I will write the footer section. Here it is also the footer section. Okay, and the last one is here, and I am going to write the home footer here in this location. So now search by hero, and here is another thing that is in the photo, that is home footer. So search by hero, there is no hero anymore, so I think my task is done here. So just go to click here, and again home footer, you see it is selected. I am now going to add a photo here. I am going to select a photo here, so that can be in the project, and I am going to uploads, and any photo I can add here. You see in the advertisement section home footer it is coming. And now if you want to delete this one, you will see the deletion is working. Refresh, it is not here now. And also if you go to check the uploads folder, you see the advertisement has two options, hero and top, but there is no footer. Now I am going again to upload another one, that is this one, you see, and refresh, you see home footer comes, and here you also see another advertisement option comes, that is in the top. So this is the advertisement home footer. So the backend task is completed. Now I am going to the front end, and in the bottom of here what will be done. So just copy this section, and I think the similar section is in the footer. So here this is the location, just paste it. It will be at section 3. All other things are same, I think, so remove it, it is not needed anymore. And here instead of home hero, it will be home footer, and this is the home footer. So it should work. Now if you refresh, you see this is coming. Now if I change it to another one, that is this one, and update, you will see here refresh, it is changed. If you completely remove it, there is no photo, then you will see in the home footer there is no photo anymore. And if you now go to give a normal photo, that is better. This is the home footer as usual. So it is okay, the home footer section is perfectly working now. Now the next item, I am going to work with the sidebar. You see that if I go to refresh the advertisement, sidebar top and sidebar bottom. So here I am going to work with the sidebar top and sidebar bottom. So advertisement sidebar top. So I will have to create a page, that is advertisement, then sidebar top.php page. Okay, so like the home footer, I am going to copy all the data from here and paste it here. So like this, and here is sidebar.php. so here I am going to copy this one in the top, and it is sidebar top, and here similarly I am going to copy this one first, that was the active class, copy and paste it here, that is sidebar top. Okay, so sidebar top will be here, and then the URL is here, this one copy and paste it here, that is sidebar top. So this should work now, and here I will work with this location. So sidebar information is okay, home footer. So where there was home footer, I am going to select all. So it is sidebar underscore top. So in all places sidebar top, and here is sidebar top like this, and here in the bottom it will be sidebar top. Here it will be also sidebar top, and here it will be where there are sidebar top. You see automatically GitHub Copilot helps me to make it quickly. So advertisement sidebar top, and here it will be also sidebar top like this. Okay, and this home footer will also be sidebar top, and here it will be sidebar top like this. So it is okay. And now I am going to check the footer. Okay, there is nothing, so that means it will work. Refresh, sidebar top, click, you see there is no photo found. Now I am going to select from here, I am going to select a photo. So in my project here, uploads, I am going to select this photo for example, and if it is working or not, in order to check, I am go to the sidebar. So in the sidebar, actually sidebar is in the home page. If you go to the home page, you will see the sidebar where it started. That means in the top section, here is a add place section. So here I am going to write the if condition. So like this one, I am going to copy this, and here in the index, here it will be sidebar top, and here it will be end if. And from here I am going to copy the photo, and here also I am going to replace it. So it will be sidebar top. So this photo will automatically be shown in the top section. So refresh it, you see in the top, this is the add. So I am going to change it N6 for example, this one, and now if I refresh, you see this is coming. And now I am going to check the uploads folder, and here you will see that this is top, not this one, this is the sidebar top. Okay, so this one. So if you just delete it, you will see there is no add in the top section, and here the photo is not presented. That means it is deleted. Now I am going to give the sample photo that was here. So it can be this one, and here in the sidebar it is showing. So that is perfect. Now I am going to work with the sidebar bottom section. So you see this is the sidebar bottom, and now I am going to the sidebar.php. Here I exactly copy this one and paste it here. So where there is top, it will be bottom, and here bottom, and here also bottom, and in this location just copy and paste, and this will be bottom. So okay, perfect. Now here I will have to create, that is advertisement sidebar bottom.php. okay, so like the sidebar top, I am going to copy and paste it here in the bottom. So where there is top, for example this is sidebar top, so select all the sidebar underscore top, and then I replace it by bottom. So okay, and another one is sidebar top like this, so select all like this one, and now replace by bottom. And another one is hyphen, so this is sidebar top, this will be bottom. Now I am going to search by top. Okay, so everything is done. I hope it will work. So refresh it and then click on the bottom, you see it is coming, submit. Now I will have to give the photo here. So project, frontend, uploads, I can give any photo here like this. And now in the sidebar, what I did in the case of index, similar thing I am going to copy, and I am going to the bottom widget. So bottom widget means this one, right? So this is the sidebar, paste it here. So here remove the static photo, and instead of top it will be bottom. So here it will be bottom, and here it will be also bottom. So sidebar bottom. So I hope it will work without any problem. Now refresh, and here I am going to see the bottom ad, you see this one. Now I am going to change this one, for example this one, update. If I refresh, you see it is updated, right? So it is working. Now if you delete it, you will see the total ad has been deleted from here. Now I am going again to bring the sample, that means the main ad that should be here. So like this, so it is working.